going on, guys? This is a tutorial on how to upload your original song on your YouTube page. The first step you have to do is to make sure that your song is already downloaded onto your computer or your laptop. The second step is to go to Google, okay? Type in Tunes the Tube. As you can see, I already got it typed in to save some time. As soon as you type it in, it's going to show you this link right here. You click on that, and it's going to send you to this page. It's going to ask you to sign in to your Google account. Now, since my Google account and my YouTube page is linked, as soon as I click on this, it will send you to here. Okay? Now you click on this page right here. This is my YouTube page. It's going to show you this. Okay, now it's asking you to access your page so it can upload your music onto your page. So you click on allow, and it's going to send you here. Okay. Alright, so you go to upload files. Okay, go to downloads. This is the part where your song should be already downloaded on your laptop or your desktop computer. Click on downloads. I'm going to upload one of my songs right now so I can show you how it works. Okay, I'm going to upload this. Open. Okay, that's already downloaded. Go back to upload files, and I go to pictures. All I gotta do is choose the picture I want. Let's see. I'm going to choose this one. Click on open. There you go. Now it's going to ask you to, work on the title of your video, the description, the tags, and after you finish with all that, make sure you click on this button right here. I'm not a robot. As soon as you do that, click on create video, and you should be all set. Alright guys, I hope this was a big help. Please leave a like, comments, telling me that what you thought about the video, and I hope you have a good day.